Alright, here's the short form version of this story. That, the orange one, is a natural gas 10,000 watt generator with a 30 amp L1430 and a 50 amp plug. The L1430 amp is the only one that we need right now. This is a manual transfer switch. This is the cable coming from the generator to the manual transfer switch. This was specifically put in the box for a setup I'm going to do later, or else this would be in a box outside. A hole would then be drilled through the back of this wall. It would come through. Don't worry about that right now. This is for a PTAC unit. It just, don't worry about that. That is the well pump 20 amp line. Everything's dead right now. We have no power at all. So I like assume everything's turned on. Doesn't really matter. Or assume power's off. It doesn't matter for these purposes. But those two red lines come from the manual transfer switch. They're from A and B. These black lines go into the original red lines that for the well pump. Power's off. Typically, this would be in the line position, saying that it's taking the power from the main source. Okay. Power goes out. All you have to do is get the generator going, and make sure this breaker's on. It doesn't ever need to be off, but it should always be on. Get the generator going, plug it in, make sure that's twisted and secured. You come up here, you move it from line to gen. You can see this bar here. This is specifically here. This is specifically here because to run a 240 volt well pump or AC unit, these have to be dual pole, 2 breakers. So that's why these are linked together. This will be for something else, or I'll move it anyway. So now the well pump is taking the generator power that's coming in. Let's make sure it works. I'm going to flip my on switch to my well pump, and it should start pumping. Okay, generator just took a little bit of load.
And there's the water going up, if you can believe it. And that is how you get water on a private well when the power's out.